any further, I just would like to have our very special guest to say good morning to our wonderful RBI family.
Yeah, good morning, Stallions. I am the chairman of MSC Cruises.
The principal today is an experience where we invite business and civic leaders to step into the shoes of our school principals to see what a day in the life is.
I always say children always know when you care. And from the first time I shook Mr. Sasso's hand this morning at 7:30, I felt his heart through his greeting, and my children were able to feel it too.
Hello, sir. My name is Noah Williams.
Noah Williams. Rick.
Yeah.
My name is Rick, Mr. Rick.
Mr. Rick. Me, I would like to be like Mr. Rick. I would like to be I really like to be a businessman.
My answer to him was, you can be anything you want when you grow up. It's that kind of interaction. Again, I'm getting a little bit of goosebumps just talking about it, but that's the kind of stuff that happened today.
It feels good because not a lot of people wants to do that.
That was a defining moment of the day in a sense, because I realized that they need people like us, like me, to come and show them that there is this opportunity, that there's somebody that is willing to speak with them.
As the school principal, setting the culture and making everyone feel a part. So having a new community partner, and Mr. Sasso, I consider a new friend, part of the RBI family, is very important, and I look forward to working with him and having him back here at RBI to share in our successes.
To have interaction with dozens and dozens of young children and to engage with them and see what they've learned and what they can still learn.
I learned that always come, even if it's a bad day, always come in with a smile. That you always have to keep a smile on your face, because even though it's a bad day, you're always gonna have something good to happen to you.
You know, my anticipation was grand, but the actual experience was beyond grand.